Hello everyone, welcome to DCC YouTube channel. And today is day 8 of December Lead Coding Challenge. So let's look into the problem statement. Given the root of the binary tree, and we need to construct a string consisting of parentheses and integers from a binary tree with the pre-ordered traversal way, and we need to return it. Omit all the empty parenthesis pairs that do not affect the one-to-one mapping relationship between the strings and the original binary tree. So this is the given binary tree. So generally in a pre-order traversal, first we print the root node and then we print the left subtree and followed by the right subtree. So in this example also, first we print the root of the subtree and then for the left subtree, we need to print a parenthesis, and for the right subtree also we need to print a parenthesis. Like for in this example, we don't print any parenthesis for the root. Instead, we print it for left and right. So first we print 1 and then after we make a parenthesis for the left subtree. That left subtree includes 2 and 4. So for 2 and 4, we print this parenthesis. And then for the right subtree, we print 3 in a parenthesis. So similar, this is a kind of recursive code because for 2 also, 2 is a root for the left subtree. So for 2, there is a left subtree which contains 4 and there is no right subtree. So after 2, since 4 is the left subtree, we print that 4 in the parenthesis. But since there is no right subtree, we just omit that right subtree. And so let's see. Yeah. So this is what the format of the string looks like, where first we print the root and then we in the parenthesis first we print the left subtree and then the right subtree. So in this example, for example, in this case, first we print 1 and then coming to the left subtree, we open the parenthesis and then we print 2. So we should also make sure that this 2 is the leaf node. But here it is not the leaf node because it has the right subtree. So since it doesn't have any left subtree, we should make sure that we print a empty parenthesis. Since in the question they have asked us that do not affect the one-to-one mapping relation between string and the original binary tree. So we cannot omit this empty parenthesis because from this string we should show that it doesn't have any left subtree, and since it also has the right subtree, we print the empty parenthesis and then we'll go for the right subtree, that is 4. And after this, since we have ended up printing this left subtree, then we go for the right subtree of this one, that is we print 3. So yeah, this is the format. And so let's look into the code of this problem. Yeah, so first we just call the function preorder traversal, and in this function, first if the node is equals to null point, that is we return. So that means that is a leaf node of the tree, so we just return. And otherwise we will first print the root, that is the node of value, and by converting it into the string. And then we, in this part of the code, we are traversing the left subtree, and in this part of the code we are traversing the right subtree. So during the traversal of left subtree, we only traverse it until and unless the node of the left pointer is not equal to null pointer, or else it is equal to null pointer but it has the right subtree. So as we have seen in this example, that first though this was pointing to the null pointer, but the right of this node is not equal to null pointer, so we traverse the left one. So first we include this parenthesis and then we again call the recursive function, that is preorder, for the left of the node, and then we print the closing parenthesis. So this part is for right subtree. Similarly for the left subtree also, a node of right, if it is not equal to null pointer, then we print this open parenthesis and then we traverse the right subtree. and then we end up printing the right parenthesis. So that is it for it.